USA, 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 USA,
Camera
USA,
recording.
USA, 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 and USA. Hey, neighbor, how are you? Happy 4th to you. USA, USA. Hey, England, don't kick rocks. It's a wonderful day. It's a wonderful celebration. I'm out here getting things done, and the family and I are about to go watch some fireworks down at the park. I can't wait. I love this. I love this. Little hot, though. Earlier, I was sweating worse than a room full of long-tailed cats around rocking chairs. But on my way down here, buddy, our neighbor James told me a good one. Had to share it with you. On the 4th of July, everybody's off work. They are. It's a fact. Except for fireworks on 4th of July. Fireworks on 4th of July. Anywho, later, Gator. And I'll see you at church. I'll see you at church. USA Day. USA Day. Hey, neighbor. Thanks for watching. If you want to mess with your neighbors, or if you just want to protect your kiddos, the wife, the Casa, or the Dodge Caravan, call Vivint. Use this thingy right here. Later, Gator.